Are you using Blender on a laptop without a numpad or even without a mouse? Normally in Blender you'll use the numpad to switch views. If you press the tilde key, you get a menu where you can quickly choose a view. This is less useful on European keyboards, so instead you can enable Emulate Numpad. Now you can use the top row as if it's the numpad keys. This is also useful for add-ons like Bool Tool that require the minus key on the numpad, or for zooming in and out in various editor windows. Another useful option is Emulate 3-button mouse. This allows you to pan by holding Alt, both in the viewport and in editors. If you can't sacrifice the Alt key, you can set it to the Command key instead, although that only works on Macs. Speaking of which, on a MacBook, to right-click you have to use 2 fingers.